Okay, so guys, dito tayo sa mga tanim ni David. Where's the tanim of David? Where's the tanim of David? Hindi niya alam ano tanim. Ah, bravo. Ano pala?
Wait, cut.
Kaintindi pala ng tanim.
Wait.
May ano din si David, may cremedi.
Ato in Mindanao.
Ato, onion. This one, onion.
Yes, and this is celery.
And this is celery. Peppers. Then onion.
That's butter.
What is that? What is that?
Cucumber.
Cucumber.
3 cucumbers.
Oh, 3 cucumbers. And what is the other? Pepper you have.
Yes,
Oh, where's the peppers?
2 peppers.
2.
2.
Wow. And there is may bunga na siya. Yung isa kinuha na ni David. And then what is the other? This is zucchini. Meron na ding bunga. Yung isa kinuha na ni David.
Ato na kulukiti.
Yes, it's kolokiti, but in English is zucchini. Zucchini. Zucchini.
Yes.
And then where is the tomato you have?
Yes, 2 tomatoes.
2 tomatoes.
1, 2.
Okay. And then watermelon.
1, 2.
Oh, one. You have 2 watermelon.
Yes.
This is 2 water. And then you have eggplant.
Yes.
Melzana. You have.
Yes, a dog.
Where?
A dog.
Ah, that is melzana.
Get in a pepperia.
Pepper, yeah.
It's a in a large Peter. Then I see that.
Ne. Mama can get your pitefso edo.
I cannot feed that. Okay.
Okay. Let's go home na.
Yes.
Let's go.
Let's get a fito.
Oh, himeta.